Are you craving pizza, but you don't feel like messing with delivery or frozen? Well, take a few simple ingredients, spend just a little time in the kitchen, and you will have a cheesy, meaty, satisfying pizza. Here's how we do it. First, we're gonna take some chicken thighs, and we wanna make sure that these are diced, so take them and cut them up into cubes like so. They don't have to be any exact size, but make sure it's all diced up. And then we're gonna take a pan, and on medium-high heat, we're gonna add a little bit of oil, get that all coated on there. And we're gonna add our meat in. Once it's all in the pan, all we are gonna do is season it up. Here I'm using some salt, some Italian blend, pepper, and garlic powder. And we're gonna get that all nice and sauteed for a couple of minutes until the chicken is cooked through all the way. We wanna make sure that we have some nicely cooked chicken. Now we're gonna take that off the heat, and in that same pan, we're gonna add in some mixed veggies. We're gonna saute those until they're nice and soft. And once they are, we're gonna go ahead and take those off the heat as well and combine it all with our chicken. Get it all nice and combined in a bowl and set that aside. Now at first I was gonna put this in a large pan, but I found that the dough was not workable enough. So I took a smaller pan and that worked out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place some tomato sauce in that pan. It's well oiled. It's about 14 ounces if you're wondering. I'm gonna spread that out. Go ahead and add my chicken and veggies. And I'm gonna add in a whole package of shredded cheese. You could shred it yourself, but if you are short on time, this is the way to go. Some mozzarella cheese that I'm using here, low moisture. Getting all of that in there. And we're gonna place that into the oven. A couple of minutes later, we got this sizzling beauty. You can see that it fried in the pan. It is delicious. Let's get it out of there. And here the edges are nice and crispy, so the bottom is gonna be nice and crispy as well. Get that on the board and slice ourselves off a piece. And wow, we are going to admire that. Does that not look delicious? I believe it does. Cannot wait to try this. Yum, yum, yum. Pizza in my tum.
See how my pizza experiment turned out. This is a hefty guy. Chicken and vegetables. Obviously, no cheese pull, probably because this is... So I didn't get the big cheese pull or any cheese pull at all because I didn't use fresh mozzarella cheese. I used low moisture mozzarella, which easy to get, a little cheaper than fresh mozz, but hey, you gotta use what you got. And if I redid this, I would probably redo it again with fresh mozz. But despite that, this is a delicious meal. It's easy to make. You could have it ready in an hour or two. And you really can't go wrong with pizza. So I highly suggest that you try it out. Sheet pan pizza, who would have thought? Makes a decent meal. Actually, it's better than decent. It's delicious. Well, until next time, YFP out.